Hi guys, welcome to Tech Press with yet another video. In this video, I want to show you how to trim some part out of your video that you have already uploaded to YouTube. So sometimes, after uploading the video, you will find something wrong in your video, right? That you don't actually want in your video. Don't worry, there is an option to trim some part of your video on YouTube itself, on both old YouTube dashboard and new YouTube dashboard. And recently, YouTube has introduced this new video editor in this YouTube Studio beta version. So that's a great way. And also this new editor is much faster compared to the old one that's available on YouTube old dashboard. So in this video, I'll show you how to do that. I'll talk about the new YouTube editor and its shortcomings and its advantages. It's much faster. Of course, editing is much faster in this YouTube new video editor. So what you needed to do is just go to your YouTube dashboard, and this is where this is the YouTube video manager. You can actually trim on your alt dashboard as well. And if you go to this enhancements, there is an option to edit video or trim some part of your videos, or even you can even create a new video out of your old live stream. So there is a save as new and revert to and all sorts of things, and there is streaming, of course, but this is not that fast when it comes to editing. So YouTube has recently introduced a new video editor on its YouTube Studio beta, and it's much faster, and also it loads frame by frame. You can actually see each and every frame, so trimming some part out of video is much faster in this new video editor. So if you go to, and once you're on your YouTube Studio beta dashboard, just go to videos, and you have all the videos here, right? And choose a video that you want to edit and click that video, and you will be taken to its editing page where you can actually give its new title, advanced and thumbnail, all sorts of things. And on its left pane, you can see that details, analytics, and editor. So this is where you actually edit the video, and it will load the video. It will take a few minutes, so just wait. It's loading the frames. You can see that here. This is the video track, this is the audio track, and here you add end screens at the end of the video if you want. That feature is already available on the dashboard and known as end screen, right? So it's loading the frames, and you can actually zoom in and zoom out the tracks, so you have better picture of your video frames. And there is this trim option, there is discard changes and undo and redo. Suppose you made some changes and you want to undo that, you can do that and redo that as well. So now you want to trim some part out of video. Once you zoom in the video frame, choose the part that you want to trim out of this video, so you can actually see that each frame. So it's much easier. Yes, of course, dragging this takes time, but maybe I should put that here and drag like that. So you see that now you want to trim this spot out. You can see that all this, each and every frames. So it's much faster when it comes to editing videos or trimming some part out of your video. So now suppose you want to trim some part like this from this video. What you do is just put this playhead, just put this playhead there at which you want to from there you want to remove the video frames, and click this trim. Oh, sorry, then it comes back to its okay. Then again zoom in. Okay, it's still there. You can just zoom in and just you can choose a timing at which you want to put a split. So once you are there, just click split, and it will put a split there, and you can just move back and forth, so depending on your needs. So now I want to trim this part. I don't want this part here in this video, so I have put a split. I have actually deleted that part out of this video, and I can actually preview the video here. I'll put the playhead here and just play the video. You can see that this playhead will, once it reaches the beginning of the stream, it will jump to the next one. So see that? So that's how it works. Again, see that? So it will be removed. So if you want to delete this split, you can do that as well. Just click this undo split button, then you can remove that split. Then if you want to preview, you can also click this preview, and this, if you want to clear all the edits, you can just clear all the edits. And if you want to discard changes, you can do that as well. So once you click preview, then you can have this option enabled to save. You can also discard changes from here if you want to make some more changes to the video, or you don't want any changes to the video at all. So that's how this new video editor works. And there, I think YouTube is still working on its features, and more features are coming to this new video editor. When it comes to this editor, this is much faster. You can actually see the videos frame by frame, so you know at what point you want to put a split, at what point the split ends or the edit ends, yeah, right? So it's much faster, more advanced compared to the old video editor. It actually doesn't load all the frames on the timeline. On the other hand, this actually loads each and every frame, so you can see that at what part you want to remove, etc. But of course, this video editor has some shortcomings. That's, you can't actually save this as a new video. Now, for example, you want to create a separate video out of your live stream. In this case, you can't do that in this new video editor. You will have to use the old video editor, where you can actually save the video as a new video. So, but however, when it comes to this new video editor, you have to save the changes on the same video, so the changes will apply to that particular video that you have saved. That's it. And there is this option, three dots. If you click that three dots, there is a view keyboard shortcuts. There are some shortcuts. If you want to learn these shortcuts, you can do that from here. You can, if you want to zoom in, control plus, zoom out, control plus, minus keys, and zoom to fit, undo, redo, etc. Control Z, redo, control Y, etc. So that's how it works. So this is the new video editor. So I hope this helps. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos, tips and tricks like this, and thanks for watching.